Hey guys, what's up? So, no, I didn't buy another bus. It's 45. So, got the hood done. I know the hood's not perfect. It definitely needs paint work, and I think the mirrors might need replacing, and it needs a number. And I gotta clean this where the old number was, but it's on there. We got it done today. It was definitely an experience, but we got it taken care of. So now I'm just trying to get used to seeing 45 with a black hood. But I wanted to film a quick video just to show you guys it's on the bus. And I do like the way it looks. So I did take pictures and stuff. I'll be honest with you, I completely forgot to. I was going to film a before video, but completely forgot to do it. So I took the bezels, turn signals. I got one headlight. The other headlight, the screws were corroded, so I just left it. And then I got the International emblem off of the hood, of course. But that's done. That's taken care of. So now I got to put some work into that hood. I did order 3800 T444E emblems because this has the DT46060 emblems on it. So those will be getting changed eventually. And then I will have to do more paint work to the top of the hood as well as the fenders, but it's on here, and I mean, at least this hood seems to do better. I may have to end up swapping out the fender extensions because I do have the fender extensions that came from this bus, so I may be doing that in the future. But everything else looks good, so I'm happy with it. I think that's pretty much it for this video, but I at least wanted to show you guys that. 50 is 50, really. I got the hood open, I was just checking oil and stuff, but yeah, so that's pretty much it. There's really nothing else going on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. 45. Oh, hold on a minute. I just hit 12,000 subscribers. I completely forgot about that. So thank you guys for that. I appreciate that. It's crazy. 12,000 subscribers doesn't even seem real, but here we are. So I think I'm going to try to do a special video for that. So just be on the lookout for that. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think, and yeah.